The Flavorizer bars mount above the burners inside your barbecue. They are made of steel and have a durable porcelain enamel coating on them. The Flavorizer bars serve two functions. First, they catch drippings from the food being cooked, which burns off the bars, creating smoke to add extra flavor to your grilled food. Second, they prevent the drippings from plugging up the burner tubes. Eventually, the coating on the Flavorizer bars will wear away and the bars will begin to rust. Replacing the Flavorizer bars is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the warming rack. It just pulls away from the barbecue body. Now I can remove the grill grates, and they're just sitting in place. Now remove the Flavorizer bars. Now install the new Flavorizer bars. Now I can replace the grill grates. The grates just simply sit on the two shelves on the rear and the front of the grill. With the grill grates in place, now I can replace the warming rack.